Ready to see a plain sheet of paper turn into a stunning maple leaf? Don't blink or you'll miss the magic. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Origami Land. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of origami. Today, we're unveiling the secrets of creating an enchanting maple leaf. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Plus, stay tuned until the end for special links to origami flower and butterfly tutorials. Ever wondered how a simple sheet of paper can transform into a stunning work of art? Origami is more than just folding paper. It's a journey of patience, precision, and creativity. Today, we'll guide you through the magical process of making an origami maple leaf. Imagine the thrill of crafting something that can captivate and amaze. As we walk you through each fold, you'll not only enhance your origami skills, but also uncover the deep-rooted beauty of this timeless craft. From the very first crease to the final fold, we promise an engaging experience that will leave you in awe. But this is not just about the finished product. It's about the adventure of creation. Each fold, each step, brings you closer to becoming a master of origami. Along the way, you'll pick up tips and techniques that can be applied to future projects, expanding your creative horizons. Did you know origami has roots that trace back centuries in Japanese tradition? It's an art form that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, turning a flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional marvel. Throughout this video, we'll reveal insights and tips to make sure your maple leaf is perfect. You'll experience the calming and therapeutic benefits of origami as each fold brings a sense of peace and focus. By mastering the origami maple leaf, you'll gain skills that open doors to countless other projects. Whether you aim to impress your friends, discover a new hobby, or simply enjoy a moment of creative zen, this tutorial is your ideal starting point. And don't forget, at the end of this video, we'll share exclusive links to our origami flower and butterfly tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching.